Welcome to Cooking For You. You have been drinked up yet now many drinks, many smoothies and many different kind of varieties of fruit juices, right? But today we are going to try out South India's a smoothie like dish, that is strawberry Panna Cotta. What it is, how it is and how to make it, let's check into the video. Let's begin making strawberry Panna Cotta. For this, we need a fresh cream. Add milk to it. And now add powdered sugar to it. Dissolve the sugar into the syrup. Now in another glass we are adding gelatin. Add cold water to it. You can find gelatin anywhere nearby in your stores. Dissolve the gelatin into the cold water. Make sure no lumps to be left out. Let it swell back for up to 5 to 10 minutes. Now bring to simmer on low heat, as we before have kept the cream milk mixture onto the stove. Keep stirring it because we don't want it to get burned. Now let it cool down. Now once it is cooled down, add gelatin to the syrup. Mix it thoroughly. Make sure the gelatin to get mixed into the syrup. So you can see all the gelatin has been dissolved into the creamy liquid. Now in another glass, pour the syrup. We are doing this in vertical position so we can get a beautiful design. You can use the exact way to pour it to the glasses. The slanting position. Refrigerate for about 2 to 6 hours. Now in another pan, take diced strawberries, add sugar to it and keep the mixture onto the stove. Keep mixing it, make sure all the sugar to get dissolved with strawberry. It's a sort of strawberry jam. Now you can see slowly the sugar is up to melt. Keep stirring it. Wow! Exactly, the strawberry jam is coming about. Now give it a hand blend. Here we are using a hand blender, and the cream which we have kept for refrigerating, just take it out and add the strawberry jam to it. It's ready. Delight! This so-called smoothie, strawberry Panna Cotta, is such a simple recipe. You can have this for the breakfast and also as a snack type. So guys, make this and let us know in the comment how much will you rate for it. So for more such videos, give us a like, comment and share. Thank you.